Hey guys, today I want to show you how to install a screen protector. This one is from Tech Armor, and we're going to be installing on this brand new Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, when you get it brand new, do not remove the original screen protector. You have it until you're ready to install a brand new screen protector, because that way you can skip the cleaning process. But if you're already using it, you already touched it, you have your fingerprints on the screen, you're going to have to first clean the screen, and you don't want any dust or anything on the screen, otherwise your new screen protector isn't going to attach correctly and you're going to have some small air bubbles. Now we're going to start with cleaning wipes, and if you have a kit from another company, they always have this wet cleaning wipes. You're going to use that first. I'm going to open it up. And always wash your hands, because if you have oil on your hands, that's going to make the cleaning process a little bit harder. So make sure you wash your hands. They're nice and clean. Now these cleaning wipes, they're wet. And what you want to do is clean everything. You want to wipe everything, especially those corners. If the corners are dirty, anything that's dirty will prevent your new screen protector from sticking, and you're gonna have some air bubbles. So clean everything up, wipe everything. Now as we're cleaning, we can see some dust, some fibers on the screen. And even your cleaning wipe has fibers, so we want to remove everything. And for that, we can install with our cloth right here. Just wipe it. We want to make sure your screen is nice and clean. And take your time with it. You don't have to rush it. If you rush this, you're going to get it wrong. Because we don't want to see any speck of dust, any fiber there. And keep cleaning until it is perfect. Now after you're done cleaning, just inspect it in the light, just move it around. Make sure you don't see any speck of dust, any little fiber flying that might be there. Even if you're cleaning, you might get some dust fibers in there. And if you do, what you want to do is get this tape, and this tape will remove any dust, any fiber that's still there. So all you want to do is just stick it. Give it an inspection. It looks good so far. Okay. And what we want to do now is install the alignment tool. Carefully, not to touch the screen. Just put the alignment tool like this. It just slides in through the front like so. Now, as you can see, it goes on like that. And before we install the screen protector, it'll make sure you don't have any dust. Give it a quick inspection. I can see a little speck of dust that fell in there, so we're going to use the tape and I think we're good. Now have it 100% now. Now we're gonna get our screen protector. This is a brand new one. There's a sticky side with an adhesive. So that's the side, so we're gonna be removing that adhesive. Make sure to grab your new screen protector by the sides. Don't touch the adhesive side. We're gonna give it a quick inspection for any dust. I can see one speck of dust right there. Now there you go. Now it's nice and clean. Now we're going to use this alignment tool to basically put it inside, and we got to be careful that it's aligned. If it's aligned, we can just put a line right through the middle. It should start filling in. Now this right here sometimes becomes a problem where it won't attach, so we just got to use our cloth and try to align it, see, so it fills in. Now many times if it's not properly aligned, you're gonna get those air bubbles. Don't worry about them. All we have to do is first remove the alignment tool. What we're going to be doing is just peel off this and then let it go. You can see it starts filling in. Perfect. Now we can use this cloth to just press it in, make sure everything's on there, and give it a quick check for any air bubbles. And I don't see on it. It's perfect. Now like I said, if you have an air bubble right there, just lift the side or a corner and let it go, and it's going to fill it in. So, but there you go. That's how you install a screen protector on your new phone. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and until next time.